Alright, guys, so today we're gonna be reacting to Quatro. You Are My C. This is a quartet. Hold up. Hey, come on, let's be professional. There we go. Thank you. So Quatro, they look like a very young individuals here, and they're gonna be singing "You Are My C." That's the title of the song. This is one of you guys recommended this to me, and I'm gladly gonna react to it. Thank you so much, because some of this music is so hidden that you have to go deep. Not even with a shovel, you have to go deep with a machine to just go and find these great gems. And I'm appreciative of the fact. Make sure you like to subscribe. We're just gonna jump in. Let's For the full unedited experience, you can go to my Patreon. Go. Okay, the Quattro.
Раскрой книгу, раскрой море, переливы зеленых волн. Миллионы чужих историй, в тихий штиль на бумаге соль. Раскрой море во время шторма, пробегись по строкам глазами. Принимают страницы форму, мечты с белыми парусами. Окунись и нырни поглубже, искупайся в их диком хоре. Мир немного, но станет лучше, ты укройся их чистым морем. Раскрой книгу, раскрой море, переливы зеленых волн. Миллионы чужих историй, в тихий штиль на бумаге соль.
Nice job, fellas. Nice job, fellas. Great job. Let me go back to that beginning one more time. Okay, so you just hear the accompaniment in the background. Dum, dee, dum, dum, dum. That's basically that's not ostinato, but it's close to being a minimalist setting. Let's put it that way. Why is that? Because it's the same kind of chord progression, but then it keeps developing until the end of the song. even though it works in traditional chords. I'm gonna leave the link down below because I want to make sure. But yeah, I was right. Very good job for this bunch of fellas. They beautiful, beautiful. You guys know any other song from these people? Go to the channel and make sure you subscribe to as well. Man, what a nice job. I'll see you in the next one. I'm out. Peace.